Hello guys, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where I show you the most straightforward way of making money online. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can always receive other making money opportunity from my video whenever I upload them. Today, I want to show you an app on my phone where I receive money, where I make money just by receiving SMS. So what the SMS is all about is I have nothing to do about the SMS. There's nothing I use the SMS for. But for my phone receiving those SMS, I get paid for that. So for my research, those people that send the SMS are based in Netherlands. So they used to test their SMS application installations. Like they want to know how good or how well it's functioning. For their SMS. So they ask people all around the world to help them receive SMS so that they can test how efficient the SMS system works. So this is it. The name of the application on my phone is called McMoney. This is it right here. McMoney. They say M money for receiving text messages. Say get paid real money for helping us to improve worldwide communication. So it is available on Android, but I think on iPhones too. Get started. All you need to do is to download the app on your phone, which I will show you. You proceed to the installation. You register it on your phone. Then each time the SMS drop on your phone, you receive money. So you say, what is McMoney? By letting us send text message to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together and do not unimportant each message you receive. Add more money to your McMoney. So this is it. How to earn money with McMoney. Just download the money app on your Android phone. Follow the registration process. Verify your phone number. So we will send text SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received text message add money to your balance. Cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Then get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the McMoney app. So you can even refer friends to make money online. This is how it is. Install and earn money. Just install the app. It works on Android. It works on Android. McMoney is extremely safe and secure for you to use. So your personal data handle is strictly private to use. So it's not as if maybe they are prying into your privacy. So let's quickly up into the app on my phone for you to see. This is it. This is how McMoney looks like. Let me go back for you to see. This is how the app looks like. This is the app here. I click on it. This is my balance so far. I've withdrawn money on it before. Welcome to Money Talk. So I have 0.39 cents left before you reach the $1 minimum balance. So you want to cash out for the minimum cash out is just $1. So this is it. I have received 42 messages so far. Thank you for helping us improve SMS delivery worldwide. Look at it here. This is how it is. The news. So this is new. They update me when they have a new when I need to upgrade the app on my phone. This is my earnings so far. Earnings, you receive a total of 2 messages. Each message add 0.013 to your balance. So for each message you receive $0.013 to your bank, to your balance. The minimum balance for a payout is just $1. I told you earlier. This is my inbox. So this is the messages I've received. The test the SMS I've received so far, about 42 of them. Please, I want you to take note of them. I want you to take note of them. So just take note of them because I'm going to show you in my SMS. SMS. So that is that. So this is my account. This is my account. So all you need to do is just these are the things. You see, you put in your paper, the address will be brought to your paper email address. So you receive text message and just please always leave it on like this and that. So let me quickly show you those messages in my SMS. Please, if you find value in this video, please turn on the notification McMoney. So please just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to receive other money making videos. Please make sure you put this into practice. Just install it. It is on Play Store, both for Android and for iPhone users. Please put it on your phone so that you just receive money. Thank you. See you in the next video. Check in the description to get the referral code to register for your MC Money. Thank you.